Hey queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a frontal wig tutorial for beginners. I'm giving you 2 cheap and easy synthetic hair for beginners, step by step. This wig tutorial for beginners, no glue is needed. Yes, girl. Both of these wigs in this lace front wig tutorial for beginners are under $30. Yes, extra cheap and super affordable. So let's hop right into it with this first affordable lace front synthetic wig. I'm showing you the construction, and this wig, I'm not going to give you the step-by-step, but the second wig that I styled in this video, I will give you the step-by-step. In addition to that, what products I use and how you can get your hands on those products as well. All right, you guys, here is the final look for the first wig. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's go ahead and get into this thing. If you appreciate this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let's get started. Without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin'. Yes! So if you do not know how my reviews work, I am going to go through the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, tell you some facts you need to know about this wig, as well as give you a 360 view, show you the back. Because if the back ain't right, the wig going back tonight, period. So you guys, this wig is by the company Mayde Beauty. This is not a sponsored wig review. I did go pick this up with my own coins. This is a part of their redefined HD lace front wig, okay? This is Lelia. Girl, I hope that's what she called out. Okay, she comes with a pre-plucked hairline. She is in the color SR530. This is what the stock card is looking like. It's supposed to be new and innovative, girl. Lace shape for the ideal hairline with a 5-inch lace part. So let's go ahead and throw this stock card so we can get to my tea. So you guys, there are a lot of pros to Lelia. So the first pro is that she gives you a really sleek and sophisticated look. Okay, I'm looking like somebody's rich wife in this wig. Like, yes! She did not have a lot of tangling. Like, you know, I was a little shook. It's because I don't really do straight silky wigs. Y'all know, middle part girl. I don't be doing all that. But she is actually really breaking barriers right now. Cap size is big head friendly. So yes, that's a personal pro. And then the last pro is that she was pretty easy for me to blend as well. The HD lace was a light. So yes, go Lelia. So on to the cons, you guys, because I know that's what you want to know. And that's what I'm really excited to tell you. Oh, girl, take a deep breath. Lelia only has one con. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? What you think? What you think? Girl, don't worry. I'm going to tell you anyway. Lelia is a shatter. I know. It had to be something, right? She has given me consistent shedding since I've had her on. When I took my little selfies, child. She has been shedding. Now, she's not shedding like a dog, but she's giving me a considerable amount, so keep that in mind. So that was the only con, you guys. So we're gonna get into the facts that you know about this wig before you go and buy it, okay? So we're gonna start off by saying that this wig is long. I am gonna show you guys a 360 at the end of this video and let you guys see the full length, but just take a look. Okay, she long, so keep that in mind. I would guesstimate 18 to 20 inches, maybe longer. And then the last thing we need to talk about is that price, okay? Cha-ching. So Lelia is a very affordable slave, which is probably the reason why I bought her, because I slept on her at first. Lelia, in the link that I have given you in the description below, is retailing for $29.99. Yes, come through with the affordable wig. So there is a $1 specialty upcharge in the link that I have given you, but I can come out a little dollar because I did for this SR530. So shout out to you, Lelia. So you guys, I am done with this wig. Okay, we're going to head into the 360 and then I'm going to take you into the next wig. Now the next wig is a bob. If you guys are appreciating this video so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it is absolutely free and it would mean a lot to me. If you are my premier fan watching right now, shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. Drop some emojis right now if you're feeling Lelia. Thank you so much to everybody who has been purchasing from my July virtual raffle. You guys know it started about a couple days ago, and the tickets are $1. There are 3 prize winners, so make sure you guys go and enter. If you want to know who the winner was for the June raffle, make sure you go back and watch that live. I will tag it above so you guys can check that out. And yes, so excited. Get ready for that raffle and make sure you go and get your tickets. Okay, let's head to the next wig. Let's go ahead and hop into the next cheap wig. So the next wig is a glueless frontal wig tutorial for beginners, step by step. So I'm going to show you guys the entire process of this frontal wig install tutorial for beginners. So I start off by showing you what this wig looks like with the lace still attached. She's all right, but I use my makeup brush to go ahead and not brown, that's not even a word, girl. Add some color to that lace, especially in the hairline as well as the parting area. And I'm using a pointed makeup brush for the parting area for precision. The next product that I'm going to be using, I use for literally almost every one of my synthetic wigs, and I also use it on my human hair wigs. It is a wax stick from Amazon. The link to all the products that I use is in the description for you guys if you're interested. But that wax stick made this final look for this wig flawless. Okay, if I did not have that wax stick, she would not be looking this good. So this is the final look. Again, let's get into that tea so you can go and spend your money. Whoo, guess who's back? So you all, this is a Mayde Tiffy. I have it in the color 1, and this is from their Refined HD Lace Wig series as well. So it has basically the same spectacles of the first unit. I actually have a lot of pros for this wig. You know, I keep looking at myself like... The first pro is that I did not get any shedding or tangling with this wig. Like... clap it up, because y'all, that is a rarity nowadays. Some of these synthetic wigs be cutting all the way up. Okay, I am loving this curl pattern, especially for the summer. It's a nice crinkly, wet and wavy, and this is super easy to style, you guys. I literally cut the lace, blended the hairline, styled the wig in less than 5 minutes. And honestly, I was really shocked. I was shocked at myself. I was like, wait, we done? Y'all know HD lace can give you that ash erasure all up in the hairline, have you out here looking crazy. But Tiffy is, she did not do that. She is very well behaved, so I am really pleased in that. Now that we've gotten into the pros, we have to address the cons, girl, because you know I have to keep it 100%. Okay. Whew. The cons. There are none. Hey, no cons. No cons. I cannot think of one con for Tiffy, and y'all know I will get into these cons, honey. Okay, I will get into these cons. I'll be ready to tell the cons. Okay, 0. No cons at all. So shout out to Tiffy, because she is that chick, period. She don't have no cons, you guys. So let's go ahead and move on. So since we addressed the pros and the cons, we're going to get into the facts you need to know, because she does have several facts you need to know about Tiffy before you go and spend your coins on this wig. So let's get into it. Wig cap, or the cap, what am I saying? The cap size for Tiffy is an average cap size. She's not tight, but she's not super big head friendly, so I think she's going to be average. The next fact that you need to know about Tiffy is that she is not shiftable, okay? You're not going to be able to make this a left or right side part, because you're going to be looking crazy, okay? Middle part only. That's it, sis. And the texture is on the silky side, okay? It's not that nasty silky. And then the last fact that you need to know about Tiffy is that price, okay? Cha-ching. Y'all know I love that part. Tiffy is bougie on a budget, okay? Point blank. Period. Tiffy is retailing in the link that I have given you in the description for $29.99. Yes! There is an upcharge for the color, okay? It is only $1. $1 made me holler like, ew. So you guys, that is the end of this video, but there is one thing you need to do before you leave the screen, and that is hit them comments below, okay? I need to know which one you feeling best. Layla, okay? Layla, ew. Or Miss Tiffy, okay? Because Miss Tiffy is doing something to me. As always, I will have my favorite in the comments pinned below, so you guys can see which one is my favorite and why. And make sure you guys go and pick up your virtual raffle ticket for July, because July is gonna fly by. I'm trying to tell y'all, July is already moving quickly and we are already 2 days in. So again, shout out to all the ladies that have shopped. Remember guys, it's new month, so that means a new wig sale is loading and on the way. If you want 24-hour early access, okay, because Tiffany will be in that sale, Layla will be in that sale, and there will be some human hair in that sale. You heard me, girl. Human hair. Those ladies are over there and they already know what date the wig sale will start. You guys won't know until it happens, okay? But they're gonna get 24 hours early access and they already have the date, so make sure you guys go and sign up. The subscription is only $4.99 and of course you'll be supporting your girl. Thank you guys so much and I'll meet you guys in the comments. Bye.